Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix missing camera shortcut on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. After click on wallpaper and style, click on lock screen. If you want to fix missing camera shortcut, so click on this shortcut and click on now app and click on this plus icon and scroll down and click on camera. After click on camera, click on done. You will see camera shortcut, missing camera shortcut is added on your lock screen. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix missing camera shortcut on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.